In this lecture, you're going to learn how to generate random values in Python. So on the top, we import the random module. This module has a method called random that generates a random value between 0 and 1. So let's print that and see the result. So we get a floating point number. Every time we run this program, we get a different value. Now, we also have another method, randint, that generates a random integer between two numbers, let's say 1 and 10. So we get 10, now we get 2, 8, and so on. We have another super useful method called choice that takes an array, let's say an array of numbers, and randomly picks one of the items in this array. So let's run this program. We get 3, now we get 2, 3, 3, 4, and so on. Now we have a similar method, choices, that selects multiple values from this array. So here, as the second argument, after this array, we need to supply a keyword argument, that is k. We set it to 2, and this returns 2 random items from our original array. Now with this choices method, we can generate a random password. Let me show you. So let's duplicate this line. Set k to 4. Let's say we want a password of 4 characters. Now instead of an array, we should pass a string. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, whatever. Basically, we can pass any sequence to this method, and it will pick 4 items from that sequence. Now, when we run this program, we get an array of 4 characters picked from this string here. Let's run the program one more time. Now we get different characters. There you go. So to generate a password, we should combine all these items in this array into a string. To do that, we create an empty string and call the join method on it. And this will join all the items in an array using an empty string as a separator. So when we run the program, we get a string instead of an array. Now if we use a comma in the string, that comma will be used as the separator when joining the items of this array. So let's run the program one more time. See what we get? We don't want that. We want an empty string. Now the only issue we have here is the limited choice of characters. Now one way is to type all the lowercase and uppercase as well as digits, but that is tedious. There is a better way. We have this string module. Let's import that. This module has a few interesting attributes. Let's print string.ascii letters. This returns a string that includes all the lowercase and uppercase letters. We also have ASCII lowercase, uppercase, as well as digits. Take a look. So we get all the numbers from 0 to 9. Now, instead of passing the string here, we can pass string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits. So let's run the program one more time. And here's our random password. Every time we run this program, we get a different password. We also have another useful method for shuffling an array. So let's say we have an array of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can call random.shuffle and pass this array here. Now, when we print this, the order of these items are randomly changed. So let's run the program. We get 4, 1, 3, 2. Let's run it again. We get 2, 1, 3, 4. So this is how you can generate random values in Python.